According to the results of a joint public opinion survey released on Sunday, citizens in Greece and Turkey share pessimism for economy and skepticism over the Ukraine crisis and the role the US and NATO play in security in Europe. According to the survey, 80.4% of Turkish people and 57.4% of Greeks believe that things are not going well in their country in general, and 68.2% and 60.7% respectively expect the financial situation in Turkey and Greece to worsen over the next 12 months. Moreover, 51% of Greeks and 47.9% of respondents in Turkey said that the United States should not play a role in European security, and in fact, its presence in Europe increases tensions and insecurity. The survey also showed 53.3% of citizens in Greece and 35.3% in Turkey believe that NATO's enlargement triggers justified Russian aggression in the Black Sea region. The survey, which was conducted in May 2022 by polling firms MRB and Conda, with the participation of 1,003 Greeks and 1,786 Turkish citizens, was carried out for the Athens-based think tanks Eliamep and Dionysus and the Istanbul Policy Center.